Shifting focus, billionaire Elon Musk has offered to buy out Twitter 100% on the 14th of April after acquiring 9% of its shares. The offer comes a week after Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal welcomed Elon Musk to its board of directors. There has been quite a bit of drama for the past 1 week over whether the Tesla CEO will accept the Twitter CEO's offer. The suspense and the twists and turns in this Twitter versus Musk story is not over yet. Here's more.
World's richest person Elon Musk offered to buy Twitter for a whopping $41 billion. For $54.20 per share in cash, had immediate effect on the markets. The offer is a 38% premium to the closing price of Twitter's stock on April 1st. Within hours of this announcement, shares in Twitter jumped 12% in pre-market trading, while those of Tesla fell about 1% on 14th April.
This is a significant premium. When this all started, stock was in the low 30s. So that's why it's really going to put the board's feet to the fire.
Billionaire Musk had been buying Twitter shares in almost daily batches starting January 31st. Elon Musk currently owns slightly more than 9% of its stock and is the company's biggest shareholder. Twitter quickly gave Musk a seat on its board on the condition that he restricts his stock ownership to 14.9% of the company's outstanding stock. Earlier this week, Elon Musk rejected the offer to join Twitter's board.
This is Musk in corporate raider style looking to own Twitter. And we believe after many twists and turns ahead in this soap opera, he ultimately ends up owning Twitter over the coming months.
Elon Musk joined Twitter in 2009 and since has been very active. With 81 million followers, he is one of the most popular figures on the platform, rivaling pop stars like Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga. The billionaire champions himself as a free speech absolutist. In recent days, he has been critical of the social media platform and its policies. He even ran a poll on Twitter asking users if they believed it followed the principle of free speech. While making his bid public in his regulatory filings, Elon Musk said, "I invested in Twitter as I believe in its potential to be the platform for free speech around the globe. And I believe free speech is a societal imperative for a functioning democracy. However, since making my investment, I now realize the company will neither thrive nor serve this societal imperative in its current form. Twitter needs to be transformed as a private company."
Look, I think Musk and Twitter, it's going to be a hot button issue. It's a political firestorm, freedom of speech in other areas. For Musk, social media has not been his, forte, but obviously he's a huge user of Twitter. He's going to have experts that are going to come in and try to change the platform. And it's hard to argue with the success at PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX. And that's what investors are betting on. But I think for the Twitter board and for the executives there, this becomes their worst nightmare.
In its response, Twitter said, "The Twitter board of directors will carefully review the proposal to determine the course of action that it believes is in the best interest of the company and all Twitter stockholders." Reportedly, Twitter will review the Musk offer with advice from Goldman Sachs and Wilson Sonsini Goodrich and Rosati. Tesla CEO has declared that US investment bank Morgan Stanley was acting as financial advisor for his offer. However, he is yet to disclose how he would finance the transaction if it goes ahead. Bureau Report, India Today.